Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can edit Facebook Reels after posting. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So let's say we go ahead and open up our Facebook app, and this is how the interface is gonna look like. And we would like to simply edit our channel or our reel which we would like to simply we have posted and we would like to edit. Then we're going to go to our menu section over here and go to our profile and go to the video section, so you can see the videos over here. Let's say I would like to edit the video out, so I'm going to tap on the video that I posted and tap on this three dot where you can see you have option of edit video. Tap on it. Now what can be edited? My description can be edited. I can add the hashtags and I can mention. I can tap on this three icon and then I can simply add the cover of my video. I can change that. Right, I can tap on who can see this reel and can change the viewer settings and tap on save, and that is basically the things that I can change on my Facebook Reels and nothing else. So what you can do is simply go ahead and delete your particular video and then re-edit the video and add it over here. That is it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.